Look at the left side of the screen. That is not me typing. That is a make.com automation taking 65 raw keywords, analyzing their search intent, and assigning them a parent topic cluster in real time. Most people do this the hard way. They copy paste into ChatGPT one by one. It's slow, it's boring, and it's impossible to scale. Or they pay $99 a month for an SEO tool that does the exact same thing.
Hello, I'm Matthew, and today I'm going to show you how to create this SaaS killer with 7 modules in make.com and with no pennies, no Python code, no subscription, an easy to use system to help you find parent topics and intent of keywords for free and fast. Let's build it.
Here's the architecture. As you can see, there are 7 modules in this make.com scenario, and each of them processes the data and passes it into the form of an understandable format to the next one. All of them are crucial, but the aggregators play the most vital role. Well, if you send 1,000 keywords to AI one by one, you burn 1,000 operations, or we can say tokens. That gets expensive. Instead, we use a text aggregator. We pull the entire list from Google Sheets, bundle it into one massive text block, and send it to Gemini in a single API call. I call this the bulk context strategy. Step 1 is the trigger. We use getRange to grab rows A2 to A66. For this module, you first need to connect your Google account to Make. If you've done it already, it's fine. But connecting is very easy. Then you search and find your file on your drive and the sheet you want to get the ranges from. Don't forget to set the range to the ones you have already put your keywords, and set the option of table contains headers to no. Step 2 is the brain. We send that bundled text to Gemini Flash. The prompt is critical here, as you can see. We force the AI to output as a clean JSON array. This tells Gemini, don't talk to me, just give me the data structure. Then we parse that JSON. Step 3 is the formatting. This is the pro tip. We use an array aggregator followed by an iterator. This sandwich method guarantees that our raw numbers stay perfectly synced with our data, so the automation never breaks. Well, this is it. We went from a messy list of random keywords to a fully structured content strategy in under 30 seconds. And the best part? Because we use the Flash model and bulk processing, this entire run cost me less than 2 cents. If you were doing this for a client with 5,000 keywords, you just saved yourself a week of work and hundreds of dollars.
Does it feel a bit hard for you to make this? Don't be afraid. I've put the link to copy the scenario in the description of the video. You can easily copy it, connect your Gemini API and your Google account, and easily use it to convert your keywords, thousands of keywords with not using that much of your credits on Gemini, and you can use it for your clients and other use cases as well. If you want to watch more videos about how to use AI in content marketing, how to automate the plans, how to automate your scenarios in SEO and other fields of marketing, you can watch my playlist of AI for marketing in my channel. Thank you again for watching. See you soon.